Hey guys, Marvin here. I wanted to do a video for YouTube because I've been searching on YouTube trying to find a video to how to replace a CV axle on a '06 Lexus on the passenger side. I was able to move the driver's side real easy. That one was replaced already, but it took me a couple days just to remove this one. I saw a video about a guy saying that you can't get the back part, the inner portion of the CV axle out of the differential. So you might as well buy a boost replacement kit and replace it. I did some research myself, and then I found that you definitely can get it out of there, right? The only thing is with the '06 Lexus, if you haven't changed the CV axle since you had the car, yeah, it's definitely gonna rust in there. So after I remove these pins right here, and then I remove my tire sensor here, and then I move my brake capillary, and then I put it down. So once I was done, I just used my little string right here to hold up my CV axle. Then I did some research, found this propane tank right here from AutoZone, and I just it's pretty much a blowtorch. I got under the car here, and once I got underneath here, all right, I remove the bolt from here, and then I remove the clip. Once I remove the clip from there, right, heated up this side, and I heated up this side right here with the blowtorch, and I say about good 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. And once it was heated up, turn off the blowtorch, and then I got my chisel. I bought a 7-inch chisel from Home Depot, and I got a 2-pound sledgehammer, and I just hammered it away. You can see all the dents in it right now. I hammered on that side right there, and kind of kept hammering, and it stopped moving, and now it's out. So yeah, you don't have to buy a boot replacement kit to replace the boot after you buy a full CV axle for the passenger side. Don't make sense to me. So did my research, and yeah, it can come out. You don't have to drop you don't have to drop the pan, the oil pan, or anything like that. It just gotta heat it up, hammer it out with a chisel and a 2-pound sledgehammer, and you'll be good to go. All right, that's all I wanted to say. So yeah, just blowtorch it, heat it up the metal. It expands the metal, and it gives the room for you to get the bearing out.